You'll never leave my thoughts again. You're the reason I'm pouring out. I just can't stop thinking about
So, this is my dinner today. Smoothie before fried chicken. It's my drink. My smoothie. And it costs 25 baht. 25 baht is maybe 80 cents. But it's fresh, it's absolutely perfect. So it's perfect. They're closing already. So they make the cow. You can drink some cocktail here, or you can buy some absolutely perfect things. They are sure original. Huh. It's good. If they eat it, it's good. So they make here pasta, original Thai, also fish, kebab, and really good. So, and this is Neymar. Every time, because they are closing, I go there. Opposite side, it's a beach. So I can hear them sitting. So this is JOMTIEN beach, and this is sea.